Let me show you how to put your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 in a pairing mode. So first, make sure when you open the case, the light actually lights up here. That means we have battery in the case and we can actually connect it to device. Then by default, if you have a Samsung phone nearby, you should even see a pop-up appear here on your screen. So you see that you can click connect and it will automatically connect. But if you do not have a Samsung phone, or maybe you are connecting to maybe like a PC or laptop, then what you have to do is, so you simply open the case on them and you press and hold the button here on the back of it for roughly maybe like 4 or 5 seconds. You'll see it starts to blink in these different colors. That means it's in the pairing mode. And again, so as you see also it appears here and your device should be able to find them. If you still have Samsung phone and you do not see this prompt, you can also, for example, like swipe down here, click and hold on the Bluetooth settings and see in the available devices. We can also click here to also pair them if you want that. So let's wait a bit. So you see they're connected and they are pretty much ready to go. Agree to this stuff. Okay. And also if you enter your settings, you can also even manage them here as well. Okay, good luck.